10 things I like about the GoPro Hero 9 Black. The first thing I like about the GoPro Hero 9 is the stabilization. The GoPro has the best stabilization of any GoPro or maybe even any camera. The GoPro has 3 stabilization settings: off, on, and boost. The second thing I like about the GoPro is that it's waterproof down to 10 meters without a waterproof case. The third thing I like about the GoPro is that it can take 20 megapixel photos. The fourth thing I like about the GoPro is that it can record 5K video. Oh. The fifth thing I like about the GoPro is the slow-mo. It can record at 240 frames per second in 1080p, and you can slow it down to 8 times slow-mo. The sixth thing I like about the GoPro is the front screen, which you can use to make sure everything is in shot. The front screen comes with 4 settings. Off, stats only, actual screen, and full screen. The seventh thing I like about the GoPro is the removable lens, because if you scratch the lens you can replace it, and you can get mods like the Max Lens mod. The eighth thing I like about the GoPro is time warp, which is a time lapse, but you can use it while moving and it has stabilization. Also, by pressing a button you can go back to normal speed with audio. The ninth thing I like about the GoPro is the audio. The GoPro has amazing audio, and there is also a media mod which gives the GoPro even better audio. The 10th thing I like about the GoPro is hindsight, which records the 15 or 30 seconds before you press record.